Assalamu alaikum students, hope you are doing well. So today we are going to solve remaining questions of exercise 16C starting with question number 6. One ball is randomly picked from the box. This is the box which contains three colors of the balls. One is green, red and yellow. We need to find the probability of selecting our green ball. First of all, moving towards the solution, we need to differentiate our balls. So number of green balls is 3, number of yellow balls is 6 and number of red balls is 4. Now we need to add these balls up to calculate the total number of outcomes or total balls in the box. So 3 plus 6 plus 4 will be equal to 30. Now probability of selecting a green ball, which is probability of G. Why I put over there G? Because G represents the selection of green balls. Using the same formula which we have used in the previous questions, number of favorable outcomes is 3 because we are dealing with green balls. We have total 3 green balls, so 3 over 13 and total number of outcomes is 13, which the total number of balls in the box. So probability of selecting a green ball is 3 over 13. Similarly, part 2 is selecting a yellow ball. Same number of green balls, yellow balls, red balls, and then you need to add these up to get the total number of balls or total number of outcomes. Probability of yellow ball, I put over there yellow for Y. Why I put over there Y? Because Y represents the selection of yellow balls. Using the same formula, number of favorable outcomes is 6 because there are 6 yellow balls in the box, and our total number of outcomes is 13. So probability of selecting a yellow ball is 6 over 13. Moving towards question number 7, which is what is the probability of a holiday on a Monday in a year? Question number 7 आपको बताया है कि आपके पास क्या प्रोबेबिलिटी है कि पूरे साल में जो एक मंडे है उस एक ऐसा मंडे है जिसपे आपको हॉलीडे हो. सोल्यूशन है आपके पास. देयर आर 52 वीक्स इन अ ईयर. There are 52 weeks in a year and each week has one Monday. So there are total 52 Mondays. Over there are total 52 Mondays. So total number of outcomes will be 52. Why this is the total number of outcomes? Because we are dealing with the Mondays. A holiday on a Monday. So we need to consider Mondays from the whole year. So total number of outcomes क्या आ गया आपके पास 52. Now we need to find the probability of a holiday on a Monday. एक ऐसा मंडे जिसपे आपको हॉलीडे हो, उसके लिए जो है वो मैंने लेट कर लिया है. आपके पास ये एक इवेंट है जिसको मैंने ई सेलेक्ट किया है. ई इक्वल टू प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ अ हॉलीडे ऑन अ Monday. You can write it as it is or you can let it to a variable like I put it as E is equal to. Wherever I put E, it means that I am talking about probability of a holiday on a Monday. So probability of E which means that probability of a holiday on Monday. So probability of E which is equal to number of favorable outcomes over total number of outcomes. Total number of outcomes is 52 because we have 52 Mondays in a year. And then we have number of favorable outcomes 1 which means that उन सब 52 मंडेज में से कोई एक ऐसा मंडे है जिस पे आपको हॉलीडे मिले. तो देयर विल बी ओनली वन मंडे in that case. So this is 1 over 52. So the probability of a holiday on a Monday is 152. Moving towards question number 8, a bag contains large number of colorful ribbons and you are given the probability of selecting a white ribbon is 1 over 7. You are given with the probability of white ribbon and then you are need to find the probability of selecting a ribbon which is not white. It means that probability of selecting a white ribbon is given and you need to find the probability of not selecting a white ribbon. So here is the solution. Probability of selecting a white ribbon is, I have written is as P white PW PW, which means probability of selecting white ribbon, which is 1 over 7. It is already given in your question. Now you need to find probability of selecting a ribbon which is not white. So you need to remember that probability of an event as a whole is 1. If I give you an example, this is a circle. It is a 1 unit. If I say that this portion, only this portion, it contains the selection of white ribbons. How many ribbons? Okay, so all the ribbons which are white are selected in this part. There are no white ribbons over there part. All the white ribbons are over there part. So I have given that this is 1 over 7. Probability is 1 over 7. This is white ribbon. So if I need to calculate the selection of ribbons which are not white, so which area of the circle it will cover, Obviously this is the area they will cover. This will be the area which is not white. So if I know the area which is covered by white ribbons, which is 1 over 7, and I know the whole unit is 1, so if I need to calculate this, what I have to do? I have to simply subtract the data which is of the white ribbons from the whole unit, which is 1 minus 1 over 7. If I do this, I will calculate the value of this. It means that जितना पोर्शन ये कवर कर रहे हैं रिबन्स जो कि वाइट नहीं है, मुझे उसकी वैल्यू या उसकी प्रोबेबिलिटी पता चल जाएगी. So the same case is we need to do over there. Probability of a white ribbon, not a white ribbon, will be equal to 1 minus probability of white, which is 1 minus 1 over 7. After simplification you will get 6 over 7. So probability of selecting a ribbon which is not white is 6 over 7. You can do it for selecting a white ribbon also, which means that अगर आपके पास given था probability of selecting a white ribbon और आपको find करना था probability of not a white ribbon, you follow this procedure. Similarly, if you are given with probability of not selecting a white ribbon is given and you need to find selecting a white ribbon, so you can also follow the same procedure. So here we have 6 over 7 is the probability of selecting not a white ribbon. Moving towards question number 9, the spinner has 8 equal sectors. This circle is a spinner and it has total 8 sectors, which means that there are total 8 parts, and you need to find the probability of spinning a 5, which means that when you spin the spinner, how many chances that you will get a 5 as a result. So total number of outcomes is 8, which is already given because we are known that there are total 8 sectors of this spinner. Probability of spinning a 5 is using the same formula, number of favorable outcomes. How many times you will get a 5? 1 is there and 1 is there. जब आप स्पिनर को घुमाओ तो ये वाला 5 भी आपको अपीयर हो सकता है एज अ रिजल्ट और ये वाला 5 भी अपीयर हो सकता है एज अ रिजल्ट. सो वी हैव 2 out of 8. आफ्टर सिंप्लीफिकेशन वी गेट 1 over 4 as the probability of spinning a 5. Again we have not spinning R3. You can do it directly or you can follow the same procedure which we have used in the selection of not selecting a white ribbon or selecting a white ribbon. Not spinning R3. So first we calculate spinning R3 and then we subtract spinning R3 probability from 1 to get probability of not spinning R3. Total number of outcomes is 8. Probability of spinning R3. Spinning R3 की probability क्या है आपके पास? 1, 2 over 8. तो ये आ गई आपके पास probability of spinning R3. Now we need to calculate probability of not spinning R3. How we get it? Simply 1 minus probability of spinning R3. Putting in values, 1 minus 2 over 8. After simplification you get 6 over 8 and after simplification you get 3 over 4, which is the probability of not spinning a 3. Okay, look at this 6 over 8. This is not the simplified form. Look over there, not spinning R3. अगर आप 3 को spin नहीं करते तो there are 2 cases which is from which you get 3. If I cancel this and this, calculate 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So there are 6 outcomes that doesn't include 3. So this is 6 over 8. You can get it later, but this is the proper way to get the solution of this question. Find the probability of spinning a 6. Again, total number of outcomes. Again, there is no 6 on the spinner. How? You need to find the probability of spinning a 6. If you see this spinner, there is no 6. So whenever I spin the spinner and I am waiting to show the result of 6, there will be no 6 on the spinner. जब आप spin कर रहे हो और 6 आपके spinner में है ही नहीं है, तो आप जब भी उसको spin करोगे आपको कभी भी spinner जो है वो result 6 का देगा ही नहीं. तो ये आपके पास क्या है, एक impossible event है कि आप spinner में 6 include भी नहीं और आप वहाँ as a result 6 को लेना चाह रहे हो. तो देयर इज नो 6 ऑन द स्पिनर, तो अल्टीमेटली यहाँ पे इसकी प्रोबेबिलिटी 0 आ जाएगी. और आती किस तरह से है? प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ स्पिनिंग अ 6, नंबर ऑफ फेवरेबल आउटकम्स, देयर इज नो 6 ऑन द स्पिनर, so there will be 0 of favorable outcomes divided by total numbers, and you know that when 0 divided by any number the result will be 0. So probability of spinning a 6 is 0. Here we are done with all the exercise questions of 16C.